Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, has once again demonstrated its formidable power after more than 3 weeks of relative calm. On Thursday, the 30th of July 2026, the towering volcano on the Italian island of Sicily spewed a massive column of volcanic ash that reached an altitude of approximately 7 kilometers above sea level. The eruption, occurring near the city of Catania, darkened the morning sky and sparked renewed concerns regarding the volcano's heightened activity. The phenomenon began around 3:30 a.m. local time, when monitoring instruments detected increased activity at the Voragine summit crater. Within minutes, Strombolian-style bursts intensified, ejecting incandescent material into the air and illuminating the pre-dawn darkness with a glowing red light visible from across eastern Sicily. As dawn broke, the volcanic activity shifted into a far more explosive phase. Lava began spewing from the crater area, while a dense ash cloud was thrust into the atmosphere by immense gas pressure. The resulting eruption column soared to a height of about 7 kilometers, creating a dramatic and menacing sight resembling a giant, dark gray mushroom cloud. High-altitude winds carried the volcanic ash toward the west and northwest. Within hours, fine particles began to fall and settle across various areas, including the town of Bronte on Mount Etna's western slopes. Residents reported ashfall that gradually blanketed streets, vehicles, yards, and rooftops. The thickening layer of ash created a somber atmosphere across the region and filled the air with volcanic dust. Visibility in some areas dropped drastically due to the density of the airborne ash. The morning sunlight, which usually reaches the mountain's base, appeared dim and obscured by an ever-expanding blanket of ash. From a distance, Mount Etna resembled a giant, ceaselessly spewing smoke, reminding the community that the mountain still harbored immense energy within. Current Strombolian activity is known to produce large quantities of material, including volcanic bombs, lapilli, and incandescent debris. Although smaller in scale than Plinian-type eruptions, this intensifying explosive activity has the potential to escalate into a much larger eruption should the subsurface magma supply continue to increase. This activity is centered at the Voragine crater, one of Mount Etna's main vents, which has been the source of several spectacular eruptions in recent years. High volcanic gas pressure propels ash, hot rock, and incandescent material from the crater at tremendous speeds. These eruptions generate a thunderous roar, accompanied by tremors felt across the surrounding mountain slopes. In addition to ashfall, volcanologists have recorded an increase in volcanic tremors, indicating significant magma movement beneath the mountain. Such activity often signals a highly active magmatic system, making intensive monitoring of the eruption's progression crucial. While lava flows at this initial stage remain confined to the summit area, the primary threat stems from volcanic ash, which can be carried by the wind for tens of kilometers. Fine ash can disrupt daily activities, pollute the air, damage crops, reduce highway visibility, and pose health risks if inhaled in large quantities. The darkening skies over parts of Sicily created an ominous atmosphere. An expanding ash cloud billowed high above the crater, while flashes of red light from ejected lava occasionally pierced through the thick plumes of smoke. The contrast between the glowing magma and the black ash creates a dramatic spectacle, revealing the immense natural energy being unleashed. For communities living near Mount Etna, this eruption serves as a reminder that a volcano's state of calm does not always mean its activity has ceased. After appearing relatively quiet for over 3 weeks, Etna has once again demonstrated that its volcanic system can undergo drastic changes in a matter of hours. Experts are closely monitoring the activity, as subtle shifts in tremors, gas emissions, or ground deformation could provide crucial clues regarding the potential for a subsequent eruptive phase.